Kung unsa ang akong nasa plato karon, mao ni akong lutoon. Okay, so come with me. Let's go, let's go. Hi guys, what's up? Mayong adlaw na itong tanan. Sa mga wala pa kaila sa kuha, my name is Burns and I'm a content creator from Cagayan de Oro. And for this afternoon, I am going to cheat day. I'll be trying something very new to their menu. So, stay tuned. So, sa mga wala pa katuod kung asa ang cheat day, doon lang niya sa rotunda. And unahan lang siguro gamay. So, tanaw na to kung saan bago sa ilang menu. So, let's get inside, guys. Their latest menu is the Samgyeopsal. So, and I just found out, guys, that every third day of March sa Korea, ang tawagan na nila is Samgyeopsal Day. So, yes, every third day of March. So, muna lang Samgyeopsal Day sa Korea. Yes. Yes.
Sam is 3 man na siya.
Three ang Samgyeopsal. Sam is 3-layered meat. Yeah. So excited na kayo ko ba? Yung wagin kay ko i-engage nga kaon nga sa panihon to. Ay gusto na ako nga magkauna naging ko diri sa cheat day sa ilang latest addition sa ilang menu. So yeah. So hi guys. Kung unsa ang akong nasa plato karon, mao ni akong lutoon. Okay? So come with me. Let's go. Let's go. So, ato lang gani siyang i-transfer yun here. Kaya kanina, pangit kini akong kuhanin kanina. Ano ko kuhanin? Ano siguro.
Chokod, napilon ka. Oh.
Cooking show, mayoch. And then, since banana ko spicy, dugan kong chili. Diri sa Samgyeopsal na ito, maratag chef, ano. Char-char with the chef. And ato nang i-on ng atong burner. In moderation.
Medium lang.
Medium na.
Dili kayo dalawang sunog.
So medium, okay na siya.
Oo.
So that's it.
Tsada man nga plate good kayo mo distribute ang fire niya ba?
Okay, nice.
Nakainit, nag-heat.
So, manggula sa tagpila ka minutes. Hi guys. I'm with my friend here, Reagan, one of the owners. So tell us, who or what inspired you to infuse Samgyeopsal in your menu? So yeah, go ahead.
So we're looking for ideas, new ideas to add to our line of products aside from our pizzas, pastas, wings, fries. So we're looking for something new to add up to our lineup, and then
Nice.
Makita na mo na Samgyeopsal or unlimited Korean barbecue is very in today. So we decided now, why don't we join the bandwagon and give them a very good product and very affordable price, diba? So I think we're the most affordable unlimited Korean barbecue or Samgyeopsal in Cebu.
So since you mentioned about the price, pila magid ni siya?
So, $249. We already have 5 marinated porks and chicken. So we have original pork belly. We have bulgogi, spicy pork. We have the gochujang chicken if you want chicken for those who don't want to eat pork.
Yeah.
And we also have the bulgogi chicken. Bulgogi is like Korean style barbecue.
Yes.
So we also have more than 15 kinds of banchan, so side dishes.
So,
Pinatanan, nanay rice, nanay. We have romaine lettuce and iceberg lettuce.
okay, so what if they will combine samgyeopsal and the pizza, spag, everything? So,
Yes.
pila lang yun ilang mabayaran yun.
Sa 249 na magyapon to, o 249 ko na bulgogi, pero kung gusto rin mo uli na, so 349 ra. So, di ba?
349. Oh, di ba? Mag-alang ang 100 pesos, guys.
Asa ba ka magita?
Very affordable, and then ang naka-nice pag it is you have the chance to bond with your friends.
Yes,
Kay mataon-taonan bagay mo gluto ang mga karne diya, di ba?
Dili siya kung tumong iskaon na rin so ato nga enjoy ang moment so istorya hinahinag ka.
Yeah. So if I were you, once you see this video, why not try and be here at cheat day and then engage sa experience.
Yes.
So Regan, would you like to invite your friends out there?
Inviting all our friends of mga tanang mga taga-Silio, giling taga-Silio. Visit mo din sa cheat day.
The house of unlimited
everything,
pizza and unlimited everything.
What's up next? So, pirmi taga-evolve.
Yeah. Ang naka-nice maging po dani guys is they're not just introducing the unlimited pizza but nag-upgrade sila sa ilang offerings diri. So dili siya boring actually. So I hope I'll see you here sa cheat day. So but for now, we'll try sa gid. Mukaon sa gid ko. So yeah, it is very important na i-set nato ang fire sa medium lang. Kaya para dili gid siya mapagod diretso. So yes. Very important kay para sakto gid ang pagkaluto niya. Dapat we have to be mindful sa atong i-prepare.